This black hole is illegal. Scientists say it shouldn't exist. It breaks the laws of physics. It is 100 billion times heavier than our sun. And we just found it. This is Phoenix A star. And it just dethroned the biggest monster in the universe. Right now, if you look through a telescope, you will only see a faint smudge. But do not be fooled. That smudge is not a star. It is not a cloud. It is a silent giant that has been feeding in the shadows for billions of years. It breaks our rules. It laughs at our math. And it is watching. Most of you watching this probably think you know the answer regarding the biggest black hole. You have heard the name TON 618. For years, the internet told you a story. They said it was the biggest, brightest beast in the sky. It shines like 140 trillion suns. It is violent. It is famous. You felt safe. You thought, okay, that is the limit. But I have to tell you something uncomfortable. The internet is wrong. King has lost his crown. While we stared at the bright lights, we missed the shadow. We missed the thing hiding in the silence. This is the story of Phoenix A star, the object that makes TON 618 look like a child, the object that should not exist. To understand why Phoenix A star is terrifying, you must first understand the rules. The universe has laws. Physics is not a suggestion. It is a strict set of instructions. One of those instructions is about growth. Imagine a black hole like a hungry animal. It grows by eating gas and dust. But there is a problem. There is a limit called the feeding limit. If a black hole eats too fast, the heat from the gas pushes the food away. It chokes. It stops eating. Scientists did the math. They calculated the maximum size of a black hole. They said, nothing can grow bigger than 50 billion suns. But then, we found Phoenix A star, and the math broke. This monster is not 50 billion suns. It is 100 billion suns. It is double the limit. It is a glitch in reality. To find the answer of how it got this big, we look at Phoenix A star's home. It doesn't live in a quiet place. In the Phoenix cluster. It lives in the Phoenix cluster. This is a terrifying place where galaxies are crashing into each other. It is a cosmic car crash. And it has been burning for billions of years. At the center of this chaos sits our monster. Phoenix A star didn't grow by eating small stars. It grew by eating other monsters. Scientists believe Phoenix A star is a graveyard. Many giant black holes collided and fused together inside it. It is a cannibal, swallowing the hearts of other galaxies. Now, it sits alone in the dark. It is the boss of the cluster. Let's try to picture this size. Imagine the sun. You can fit 1 million Earths inside the sun. Now, imagine the largest star we know. Stevenson 218. If you put that star in our solar system, it is huge, but next to it is huge. But next to Phoenix A star, that giant star is a dot, a grain of sand. To fly across Phoenix A star, it would take light weeks. If you put Phoenix A star in our solar system, it would swallow everything. It would swallow Pluto. It would swallow everything. Our space probes, our entire history, and still have room for more. Now, here is the part that will mess with your head. You know how black holes work. Teachers told you they are violent. You would stretch like a noodle and die. Right? That is common sense. But with Phoenix A star, common sense is a lie. This monster is so huge that the gravity at its edge is gentle. You would float in thinking you are fine. But then you would realize something. Your watch stopped. Your phone is frozen. Time itself is dying. You turn your ship around. But you do not move. The universe outside has already aged 1 billion years. You are trapped in a moment that never ends. We started this video looking for a limit. Phoenix A star gave us the answer. There is no ceiling. There is no limit. And we are small. Our sun is a speck of dust. And out there, in the cold distance, giants walk in the dark. Phoenix A star is the king, for now. But who knows what else is out there? So, what if there is something even bigger? We are hunting for it. And when we find it, you will be the first to know. Hit that subscribe button, because the universe is getting darker. I'll see you in the next one.